Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the iPad Air 5th generation in Starlight color here. I actually got it off of Amazon. It was actually, I think, 560 bucks instead of 600. They actually had it on sale, and then next day free shipping. So this is the 64 gigabyte version, again in Starlight color. We'll come back to the goodness in a moment here. So this will just be a pretty quick unboxing. Alright, so we have your cable. You actually do still get the charger block. And of course we get good old paperwork from Apple. That's the less important stuff though. So I'm super excited to see how fast this is. The last generation was super fast. I'm sure this will be even faster. So this is Starlight, which basically looks silver. You guys, it probably actually looks, through the camera it looks very silver. It's supposed to be like a silver yellow, I believe. Kind of like a star. Light. Hence the name. Okay, I mean, it's not a bad color, it's just, it's more silver than I thought it was. We do have a little bit of a flash on your camera there. So let's take a quick look here. It already has my fingerprints on it. So we got really nothing on this side. We have, should be 2 speakers there. And then your power button. And a spot for the dock, if I'm not mistaken. Then, of course, on the other side here, we have your volume rocker. 2 more speakers. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Apparently on the iPad mini, it only has actually 2 speakers and not 4, I think it was. A lot of people correct me on that one. So correct me if I'm wrong on this as well. Then you have your charger port there. Oh, that's really about it for the unboxing. Let me plug this thing in, set it up, and I'll be right back. Alright, here it is all set up. So this is what you get with all of it. And of course tap and hold. And you can delete pretty much anything you want to delete off of here, which I will eventually be doing here. So you do get quite a bit of stuff, but again, you can delete most of this compared to like Amazon. It gives you a bunch of stuff that you just cannot delete. Apple, at least you can delete stuff from here. So I'm super excited to see how fast this guy is. Let's just do a quick internet speed test here. Let's go to Best Buy. Best Buy, the first time loading this in, it is crazy fast. We'll do that. That's fine, get out of my way. Let's go with iPad Air. Yeah, this thing is blazing fast, as you would expect. So the last generation was fast, the iPad mini was fast, and that's not with the M1 in it. I mean, heck, the base iPad's pretty dang fast even. So there we go. So again, this one is the Starlight, which, get out of the way, get out of the way. See, it's supposed to be a bit more yellowy hued to it, but it looks more silver. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be doing speed test comparisons between, well, all the tablets I have pretty much, which are Samsung's and Amazon tablets. I do not have any other iPads currently. This is only one, so I cannot do any speed tests with other iPads, sadly. Wish I still had the old Air, the last generation Air, but I do not, or even the Mini. But I don't. But I have the Samsung A7 Lite, the S7 Plus, also S7, and basically they're the same thing, but the S7 Plus, Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus, and HD 10, and I might be missing something in there, but we have a whole bunch. Then Amazon Fire 7. So we're doing a bunch of speed tests, comparisons here, so stay tuned for that, and some gaming tests and whatnot. Thank you guys very much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.